Biscuit. Biscuit. Can you say biscuit? No, too busy eating it, Mummy. Too busy eating it. What are you doing, Wentworth? Are you waiting for Daddy to come home? Wentworth, come here. No? Just gonna stay there and stare at the door. Weird cat. Go on then, do your shop up. Quinn, do you want to find out what today's is?
Make Christmas. I knew it!
So we're making cheesy snowflakes, and then we're making Rocky Road with snowflakes on as well. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Do you want to make those?
Yeah.
Right, that means we need to get dressed first.
Can you help me, Mummy?
I should think so. Can we help her, Wylder? Yeah? Wylder thinks we can help you. We'll go and help you find some clothes. Come on, let's go.
My coat all by myself.
You put your coat on all by yourself, and you put your shoes on all by yourself.
1, 2, 3.
What a clever girl you are. Where are you going?
Get flowers.
Not flowers.
Flower.
Flour.
Why do we need to get flowers?
You don't. You need to get flour.
Why
We
do
need it for break. You have to put it. You have to sprinkle it all over the table, and then we can roll out the pastry.
Oh, I'm going to do that now. Whoa.
You're alright, Chef Queenie.
Oh my gosh. I'm so well done.
We're going to roll the dough in a second. We're just going to make sure we've got the cheese ready first. Alright, Quinn, you want to do the egg? Put that down. There we go.
Can I help crack it?
Hang on, don't squeeze it too tight. You have to go. Woo! Well done, Quinn. Although we didn't get any shell in it. Make sure they're like covered with cheese. Emily and Quinn, stop eating the ingredients.
Can you add a bit of cheese in this to make it nice?
No, it won't. It'll still taste gross.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't have any egg. Oh yeah, Mummy, this isn't sticking to my hands anymore. It's actually
No, it's cool. It's basically like dough at this point.
Yeah, if you keep
Quinn, you can't eat the cheese. You've got to use the cheese. Are you doing some rolling? Good boy. You're a good helper. You don't take it away. He was rolling, weren't you, mate? What have we been busy making? Rocky Road, yes. It's Sunday night, so we are having sausage roast dinner. Basically, the kids would much prefer to have sausages than roast meat, so that works for us. Sausage roast it is.
Is it good? You can eat it.
sprinkle
You know?
and squish them on.
You do it.
I think you're distracting him, Daddy.
Oh, look at
He did it! He did it himself! He really did it.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There we go, good boy.
Say bye-bye.
Drop the cup.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Everly Grace.
Good night, everyone that's watching.